you doing today? Oh, a little dump truck action. Something I haven't done in probably, I don't know, 2 years. We're undermanned today, so gotta step up, I guess. And of course, you always want to come back here and inspect the bed and make sure nothing's stuck up there, which it isn't. It's over here. Nothing but ditch slop. So you had a retention pond over there off 17 by the new Walmart. This old truck here I haven't driven at least a couple of years. It's a 2008 Freightliner. Not a bad truck. Fully automatic push button transmission, air ride seat, stereo, AC. It's like driving a big motorhome. Captain's chairs, armrest. Inspecting the undercarriage, make sure there's no damage, the cylinder's good, tires are good, suspension, no leaking hydraulics, safety arms are intact. Yeah, it's not a bad truck. Of course, you never want to park too close to your pile in case they loaded up a moccasin, because he's going to come out of there pretty angry. And they will come after you. But anyway. Inspecting the truck after a long day of hauling. Yeah. Yet again, just another day in the life.